The modern guest experience starts here, with Samsung Hospitality TVs built for performance, design, and simplicity. Samsung HU8000F and HU7010F HTVs give guests the connective, intuitive experiences they expect, and hotels the flexible functionality they need. Samsung HTVs provide two options: a premium experience that enables custom content creation, and the standard experience for device management and setup. Let's start with the basics. Decide how you'll deploy your HTVs: as a standalone display, with an optional set-top box, or through a CMS like Samsung Link Cloud. HU7010F features a sturdy center stand, designed for secure, furniture-based installation. Pre-drilled holes on the base let you bolt the TV down for added protection. And with an 180-degree swivel, guests can watch from anywhere in the room. HU8000F is designed for wall mounting. Its ultra-slim profile and minimalist lines create a clean, built-in aesthetic. If plans change and mounting is not an option, the HU8000F includes slim feet for placement on furniture. Each model arrives ready to install, complete with remote control, power cord, data cable, and a center stand or slim feet. Enjoy full connectivity with ports for HDMI, USB, LAN in, and with HU8000F LAN out. Simply connect to the internet, customize your channel lineup, and install OTT apps through the App Store or your property's own CMS. This isn't just plugging in a TV. Samsung Hospitality TVs set the stage for elevated guest experiences and smoother hotel operations. From boutique hotels to global brands, HU8000F and HU7010F deliver simple, secure, and scalable solutions, room after room, stay after stay.